Welcome to the Aquaspresso Coffee Academy, and today we're going to be talking about the 3 most famous coffees in the world. Starting with definitely the most famous coffee in the world is Moccha Java. Now, the name typically gets thrown around in every country very, very loosely, and most Moccha Javas you see in coffee shops, in supermarkets, is not actually Moccha Java. So let's first understand and define what is a real Moccha Java coffee. So most coffees these days are blended, and what blended means is they take one coffee from one region and they take another coffee from another region and mix them together, and hopefully that concoction tastes great. And one of the most famous blends of all time is a Moccha Java, and Moccha meaning coming from Ethiopia and Java meaning coming from Indonesia. And Ethiopian coffee mixed with Indonesian coffee just so happens to make an amazing blend. And that's why Moccha Java essentially became so famous. Now, mostly, unfortunately, these days, people just name their coffee whatever they want to name their coffee, and most Moccha Javas, probably over 90% of Moccha Javas these days, is not actually Moccha Java. So how do you know what's inside? Have a look at the back, just make sure that the ingredients are Ethiopian and Indonesian coffee. Second most famous, Blue Mountain coffee. And Blue Mountain coffee, probably next to the real elite coffees like Kopi Luwak, or the kind of the excrements type coffees which come from animals, is probably the most expensive coffee you can get if you get an authentic Blue Mountain coffee. And what is an authentic Blue Mountain? An authentic Blue Mountain coffee is coffee which comes from Jamaica, and there are mountains in Jamaica called the Blue Mountains. And because of where Jamaica sits, and because of the climate in Jamaica, the soil is super rich with nutrients, and that makes the coffee taste so great. So Blue Mountain, real Blue Mountain, hard to find these days, but if you can, definitely worth a try. Last coffee that we're going to talk about today, and probably third on the pecking order in terms of its fame, is Kona coffee. And Kona coffee, again, authentic Kona coffee, is coffee which comes from the land of Hawaii. And Hawaii is super awesome for coffee. Why? Because it's volcanic ground. And again, super nutrients, super rich soil makes the coffee taste amazing. And again, Kona coffee also very expensive, but definitely well worth it. So next time you get your coffee, just make sure the ingredients match what the name says it is, and hope you have great coffee. Thanks so much.